This is real crab dip, just off the grill a couple minutes ago. And these are crispy keto crackers. Today I'm going to show you how to make my special crab dip that I take to parties all the time. People rave about it. It's really yummy. It's got a little bit of spice to it. The keto crackers, these are really super crispy keto crackers, and they go with the dip. Today I'm making real crab dip for two. This is going to be our dinner tonight, and it's not many carbs. It's 8, so that's our dinner, 8 carbs, and let's get to it. I roasted up some garlic. In we go. I'm going to put in some parsley, 2 stalks of green onion, 6 ounces of cream cheese. I've got a tablespoon of sour cream. In we go. Tablespoon of mayo. I'm just going to mix this until it's well blended. Okay, that's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in some jalapenos. It's 1 jalapeno. And you know what? It's the heat that makes it. Everybody really likes to have a little bit of spice in their crab dip. So in we go. 6 ounces of real crab. We're going to fold that in. This is extra old cheese, and it's shredded, and it's a really good cheese. Don't skimp on the crab and don't skimp on the extra old cheese. And I'm going to put most of it in, just like this, and we'll top with that. Mix this up. Okay, let's put this divide it into 2. Into the bowl we go. And then the last little bit of extra old cheese, just for the top. See? Looks good. We're going to cook indirect, heat on this side, nothing in the center. On we go. And we're going to go for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees until it's all bubbly. If you're looking for a low-carb appetizer to take to a party, I think this is pretty good. What I would do, though, is I would take it to the stage where, before it went onto the grill or into the oven, I would take it to the put together stage and then put some foil on it. And if you want to multiply the recipe up into 2, 3, 4 times, you might want to put a little tin foil on the top if you're going on the grill, but it's always a hit of the party. And take your own crackers too. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it looks good. Also, if you don't care for crab, you can use lobster or shrimp. Look at that bubbling. Can you see that? I covered it at the end there. The last thing that I do is I put a little piece of butter right on the top like that. Well, I'm going to try this. And you could look at how gooey that is. Look. See? So we'll serve this with a leafy green salad. And doesn't that look delicious? Yeah. Take a look. Thanks for watching.